Hello, this is question 10 on paper 1 of TMUA 2017. So we're given the equation of this curve where p is real, and we're told that the gradient of the normal to c when x is minus 1 is m, and we want to know the largest value of this m as p varies. Okay, so first of all, to know the gradient of the normal, we're going to have to know the gradient of c when x is minus 1. So to find that, we're going to differentiate f of x, and that will leave us with minus 6p squared plus 6px minus 3x squared. And then to find the gradient when x is minus 1, we just substitute minus 1 for x in here. So that leaves us with a gradient of minus 6p squared minus 6p minus 3 when x is minus 1. And the gradient of the normal is just the negative of the reciprocal. So to find m, we're going to do 1 over this gradient of c for the reciprocal, and then make it negative. And of course all the minuses will cancel out, so this tells us what m is. And because we want to find its largest value, whenever we're trying to find the largest or smallest or maximum or minimum of something, then differentiating is often a good way to go. So we want to differentiate this with respect to p, and then set it to 0, and that will tell us the value of p at which this maximum occurs. And to differentiate m, we're going to want to use the chain rule. So if we say that u is equal to 6p squared plus 6p plus 3, then m is just 1 over u, and by our chain rule, dm dp is going to be dm du times du dp, and dm du is just going to be minus 1 over u squared, and then du dp is just going to be 12p plus 6. And now for this derivative of m to be equal to 0, well, minus 1 over u squared is never going to be 0, so for dm dp to be 0, we're going to want 12p plus 6 to be 0. And so rearranging this for p, we get that p is equal to minus a half. And now m has its maximum at this value of p, so to find out what that maximum is, we're going to put p equals to a half into the formula for m. So p equals minus a half means that m is equal to this. Then simplifying again, we see that we get a minus 3 and plus 3 that cancel. And 6 times a quarter is just 3 over 2. So 1 over 3 over 2 gives us 2/3, and that is answer E.